Welcome back to the channel guys. In today's video I'll show you how to stop FaceTime for opening automatically when you start your MacBook. If you found it annoying that FaceTime keeps popping up every time you log in, this quick fix will solve it. So let's get started. First you need to open system settings. To do that, simply click on the Apple logo on the top of your screen and go to the system settings. Now scroll down and click on general. As you can see, I am already on general. Now simply go to the login items and extensions. Here you will see a list of apps that start automatically when you log in. If FaceTime is in this list, just select it and click the minus button to remove it. As you can see, I don't have it right now. Now open the FaceTime app itself in the menu bar and click FaceTime, then choose preference and make sure open at login is unchecked in your FaceTime app as well right here. Now to simply go there, I'll simply minimize it. Finally, restart your MacBook to test it out. If you follow these steps, FaceTime should no longer launch automatically at startup. And that's it guys, you have successfully stopped FaceTime from opening on startup. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Mac tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.